day, sir, madam. I'm Stefania Dora, 23 years of age, of Kawayanan Street, Bacamandariao, Iloilo City. Single parent, um, college, one year of college,
What course?
um, computer science, of EBA na International College of Business and Accountancy. Then after 1 year of my course, I work as a sales clerk, 5 months contract. Then after my contract, I work as a housemaid here in Iloilo, elderly.
So you've been working as a local house helper.
Yes, ma'am.
How many person are you serving inside the house? How many are they?
5.
5. Who are they?
And but I take 95 years old.
So there are 5 person to serve. How many housemaid? How many house helper?
only
Only you. Okay. So, but you said the priority of your work is to take care of the old man. No?
Yes.
So how many? There were 5 person to serve. The grandfather, which is how old?
95 years old.
Bedridden.
Yes.
Okay. Who else?
The
The couple, your mom and sir.
yes,
And then they have children.
children.
How old are the children?
Uh, they are 20.
All adults.
Adults.
Okay. So your priority is to take care of the old man. Okay. So he cannot walk.
No, cannot walk.
Okay. So how did you took care of him?
I feed him. I change the diaper. Go
So
to
can
the
you do
toilet.
that alone? Changing diaper, changing clothes, bed bathing like that?
Yes.
So can you also transfer him from bed to wheelchair?
Yes.
You
Yes.
can do that alone?
Sometimes I call her. His.
Your sir to assist you.
So yes. Then I do my duties and obligations in the house.
So you mean to say,
Of course.
aside from the old man, you are also doing all the house?
Yes, like washing clothes, cook, cleaning, and then
You also did cooking?
yes, I cook for
The whole family?
the whole family.
How about the old man? Did you prepare a
I
special
prepare,
diet for
yes.
him? Like what?
Like lugaw.
The porridge, no? Okay. So, Aizel, no? In case this time that also old person to take care in Hong Kong, are you willing?
Yes, I'm willing.
So even a male patient, a bedridden male patient, it's okay with you, no
So
problem. And how about caring children? Are you also willing?
yes, I know how to care the children because I have one daughter. Yes, I know.
So
how
you're
to-
also willing and your family are also caring.
Yes.
And how old is the child you prefer to take care?
She's
No, if the children to take care in Hong Kong, how old is the child you like to take care?
1 year old.
1 year old.
About.
So at present, are you working on it? You're still working now?
Yes, I'm still working now as a salesman.
So you are employed now. Anytime, if ever your Hong Kong employer needs you, can you resign from your present
Yes,
job?
yes.
Okay, so what can you assure to them if ever they will hire you?
I promise to my employer to finish my contract.
Of course.
I will do my obligations, rules, and regulations.
Of course, you need
the
to
home.
follow.
Yes. And I can promise that I will honest them, responsible.
Of course, obedient, huh? So no homesickness, huh?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Who will take care of your daughter if ever you can go?
My my mother's-in-law.
Your mother. Good luck to you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.